Come on. It's going all over the place. There we go. You can come back to this end and hold it. Now, why didn't I do this end one? I'll show you why. Take that off. But first of all, I'm just going to turn it over. Make sure it's not tight. Turn it right way. Oh, look at that. Sweet, isn't it? No tight spots in it at all. Right, let's have a look at that back bearing, because you've seen me do these before, but I never put those T-seals back in. I do them with silicone, RTV, for the simple reason you get a positive seal. Oh, look at that, dropped right through that one though. Yeah, you get a nice seal. When I was just looking at that end, I could see light between the bearing cap and the block. This is good. The T-seal must have been the worst idea ever. Oh no, I tell you what was the worst idea ever. The 2.5 petrol and diesel rear crankshaft seal with the split seal. That was the worst idea ever. I could have thought of better things to do than that. Right, let's take this out. Come on. There we go. Yeah, no, it's nice, isn't it? So, let's go and get some RTV. So anyway, what we're going to use is some RTV sealer. We're going to make sure all this is nice and clean in there, there's no oil. No oil in there. No oil down the sides here. And no oil in that tee. Alright, so we'll make sure that's nice and clean. Right. Then we're going to take some RTV. I'm going to push it through the tube and we're going to feed silicone into that gap. Same across here. Like that. A little bit more at the bottom. And then we're going to squidge it through with our thumb to make a nice seal. Makes a nice job. Bugger to get out, mind, but it does do a good job. Never had one leak yet. Right. This is where it gets messy. We get it on the right way around. There. Now, I'll put the bolts in. It's very difficult to actually get to this rear seal, or this, you know, this part here whilst it's on the car, because you know, it's, you can get the sump off, but that's about it really. That's funny, isn't it? Because you know when I said I could see light coming through here, well, there's a sealer squidged through. So you can see the bottom corners there where there's a little square. Well, what we're going to do is force silicone down there with your thumb, so it comes out of here, and then when it comes out of here, we put our thumb across here and we watch it come out from the inside. So we're going to turn the crank round a little bit so we can see it. It's like hydraulic in it. It's a bit childish, but it seems to work. Oh. Well, you know when I said it was coming out of that side, it's actually coming out of this side. Can you see it coming through? There, that's what we want. Did you see that? Let's do it the other side. You didn't see it, did you? Watch here. See that? Can you see? Try not to force any sealer into the thread holes next to it. Coming out here. Oh, it's just starting to go. There. So what we're going to do is put my finger over that hole there and try and force some to go through here at the back. A little bit more. Yeah, that's it. That's coming through there. That's come through there. If it's coming out there now, what we do is we leave it when it's dry and we cut it off with a razor blade. There you see. So we know it can't go anywhere else, so there you go. That's how we do the seal.